Separate your feet apart. And soften your knees. Open your arms out. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach. Connect your palms, reaching up. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. And this time with your knees soft, bow down without going too deep, too soon. Just simply drop your head, drop your arms. Inhale, unroll up slowly. Open, lift, reach, connect your palms. Exhale to your heart. Inhale again, open, lift, reach, connect. And this time bow down. Inhale, unroll up. Connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale again, open, lift, reach, connect. And exhale, bow down. Please stay down this time. Relax your neck, keeping your knees soft, keeping your abdominal relaxed, keeping your neck relaxed. Wave yes and no with your head. Make sure you're not holding it. On your next inhale, push your left foot against the floor and extend through your left leg, slowly twisting towards your right side. Stay here, please. Long, deep, conscious breath. Stretching and opening left side of your body. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center, soften both knees. Exhale in the center and inhale, twist to your left side, extending through your right leg. Neck relaxed, abdominal relaxed, stretching and opening right side of your body. Long, deep, conscious breath. Inhaling, expanding. Exhaling, cleansing, releasing, letting go. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften both knees, engage your abdominal. And on your next inhale, slowly unroll up, one vertebra at a time. Please engage your buttocks, guide your tailbone down, your shoulders up, your neck, your head. Inhale, reach with your arms up. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Check your weight, bring your weight evenly between your right and left, between front and back of your feet. Bring your weight in the center. Bring yourself in the present moment. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms down. Simply reaching out with your arms, palms down. And inhale, lift your fingers up, like almost like you're pushing walls away. And then bend your wrists, reach with your fingers down. Inhale up and exhale down. Keep going. In, X, in, X. Follow your breath. Remember to breathe. Allow your breath to initiate your move. One more time, please. Inhale, reach out, wrists, please. 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full circle. Inhale, reach, cross your arms, take them down. Inhale, change, cross other arm in the front. In, out, in, reverse direction, please. Inhale, exhale, please change cross of your arms. Last time. Arms reaching out, elbows. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wrists. 2, 3, 4. Palms up, Spread your fingers, lift your gaze up, stretch. Exhale, fold your thumbs in, cover your thumbs with 4 other fingers, drop your head to your heart, keep reaching out with your arms. Again, inhale, open, spreading your fingers wide, opening yourself. And exhale, fold your fingers in, covering your thumb. One more time. And exhale. Inhale, open, reach up. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart, close your eyes. Long, deep breath. One more breath. On your inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms, take them out again. Fold your fingers, extending your thumbs out and turn them up. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, bend your elbows. Your thumbs pointed down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, in, X, in, X. Follow your breath. Heart lifted, shoulders down. One more time. Inhale, reach. Open your palms again. Reach up. Exhale to your heart. Close your eyes. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, separate your feet a little bit wider. Maybe your mat width apart. Exhale, drop your arms down and extend your arms out. Inhale, reach, and exhale, folding, hinging from your hips, stretching out your arms. Extend through your legs, extend through your torso, extend through your arms. Inhale here and exhale. We're going to twist, reaching with left arm towards your right foot, but instead of focusing down, we're going to focus on the arm, on your right arm that is reaching up right now, opening, stretching up on your right side. Inhale, center both arms out, and exhale, change sides again. Focus on your left arm right now. Inhale and exhale, change. Let's keep going just a little bit faster. Follow your breath. Inhale in the center, exhale, twist. Maybe even faster. In and exhale. Again, focus on your arm that is reaching up right now. Keep your abdominal engaged so you're supporting your low back. Breathing in and out of your nose. Powerful breath. Keep going. Now we're going to change our focus. We're going to focus on the arm that is reaching down. Maybe even placing palm in front of your foot. One more time for each leg, please. Inhale, reach with your arms out. Exhale, drop them down, drop your head. Long deep breath. One more breath, please. Inhale, exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominal again slowly, one vertebra at a time. Engage your buttocks, guide your tailbone down, your shoulders up, your neck, your head. Inhale, open, lift, reach with your arms up, connect your palms, exhale, bring it to your heart. Long deep breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes, release your arms, shake them, walk your feet together, bring them closer, palms facing forward. Please join your index and thumbs together. Inhale, reach with your arms out, and exhale, pull your elbows down, hugging your rib cage, lifting your heart. Inhale again, up, and exhale, down. Breathing in and out of your nose, in, out. Four more times. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze your elbows towards your rib cage, hugging your rib cage, lifting your heart. Inhale, exhale, shift your weight over to your left side, lift your right knee up. And inhale, place your foot down. Exhale, change sides, and down, and down. In, out. Breathing in and out of your nose. Focusing on your knee that comes up. Just focusing on you lifting your knee as high as you can. Follow your breath. One more time for each leg, please. Now this time we're going to reach up and lift our right knee up together with the arms. When arms come up, our knee comes up. Focus on your standing leg right now, so you're strong and stable on your standing, and down. Inhale up and exhale down. In, out, in, out, in, out. Focus on your standing leg. Maybe even gently pull your kneecap up. Engage in your buttock when your other knee comes up. Please follow your breath. Powerful breath in and out of your nose. In, out, just a few more times to go. One more time for each leg. Inhale, reach with your arms up, spread your fingers, close your eyes. Shoulders down, long deep inhale. Hold your inhalation, contract your rectum, pull your navel in, chin slightly in, contract, lift, pull, hold it. Exhale, hold your arms up. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. Last time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, take your arms down. Simply keep your eyes closed. Long, deep breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. And now bring your hands on your abdominal. And please inhale through your nose. And let's exhale through the mouth. Shh. Pull your navel in. With your fingers, gently help your navel go in, forcing stale energy, stale air out. Again, inhale. Exhale. Shh. One more time. In. Exhale. Inhale, slowly open your eyes. And this time, let's go ahead, open our mouth and just simply stick tongue out and just do like little punting like puppies. Pumping navel in. On every exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation are equal, but inhalation kind of comes in on its own. One more time, and then inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to explore same breath of fire, very energizing, very detoxifying breath. Breathing in and out of the nose. Inhalation comes through your nose and exhalation comes through your nose. Again, on exhalation, we're pumping navel in, like pumping, forcing stale energy, stale air out. Let's take long deep inhale first. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Focusing on your breath, keep your facial muscles relaxed, shoulders down, allowing your navel go in and out. Just a little bit longer. Facial muscles relaxed. If you start feeling dizzy, please switch to long deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Long deep inhale. Exhale. One more breath. And exhale. Drop your arms, shake your arms. Inhale, sweep your arms, reach up. Exhale, open your arms out, turn your palms down, clasp your hands together behind your back. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze up, opening and lifting your heart. And exhale, slowly bow down, check with your arms. If it feels right, please allow your arms go up. Gently pulling you down forward. Long deep breath. One more breath. On your inhale, slowly lift your head, send your heart forward, elongating through your torso, lift yourself up, keep your hands connected, still clasped. Inhale, lift your gaze up, lift your heart up, using your triceps, lift your arms up, and with your gaze up, open your chest, lifting your heart even more. On exhalation, squat down, place your arms on your back, with your tailbone reaching back, with your heart reaching forward. Inhale, pushing floor away, rise up, lift up, opening your heart up, and exhale, squat down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, in, last time. Exhale, squat, just simply hold it here. And inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, soften your elbows, release your arms out, reach out. Inhale, exhale, tuck your tailbone under, bending your knees, give yourself a nice big hug. Drop your head to your heart, long deep breath. On your next inhale, pushing floor away, send energy up your legs, open up, lift up, changing cross of your arms, give yourself another big hug. Soften your knees, tuck your tailbone under, head to your heart. Inhale, exhale, one more breath. On your next inhale, slowly rise up, open up, reach with your arms up, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Long, deep, conscious breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms. Inhale, sweep them up. Again, opening, lifting, connecting, expanding your electromagnetic field. Exhale, open your arms out. Turn your palms down. Clasp your hands behind your back. Changing cross of your fingers. Do it unusual way. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Keep breathing. On your next inhale, lift even higher up. Exhale, sending your heart forward. Bow down. Again, check with your shoulders. If it feels right, lift your arms maybe even higher up. Allowing your arms pull you down forward. If it does not feel right, please just simply keep your arms on your back. Long, deep breath. On your next inhale, slowly lift your head, send your heart forward. Allow your heart lift you up. Come up, gaze up, squeeze your shoulder blades, and exhale. Squat down, lower your arms on your back. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your heart, rise up. Exhale, down. Keep going, arms up, and then when you exhale, place your arms on your back. Sending your heart forward on exhalation and lifting your heart up on your inhalation. Follow your breath. Inhale, rising up, and exhale, squatting down one more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, simply release your arms, soften your knees, your elbows. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, give yourself a nice big hug. One more long, deep breath, squeezing your upper lungs. On your next inhale, push the floor away, rise up, open up. Exhale, change cross of your fingers, cross of your arms. Long, deep breath. On your next inhale, pushing floor away, send energy up your legs, rise up, open up, reaching out, reach up, connect your palms, exhale to your heart. Eyes closed, bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes and exhale, release your arms down. If you're standing in front of your mat, then step back with your left leg. If you're standing in the back of your mat, step forward with your right. We're going to come in lunge position. I'm going to be sideways. Right leg forward, left leg back. Bend your right knee right now and bring your knee above your ankle. You can have 90 degrees or greater angle at your knee. Now check with your back leg. Maybe if you stable enough, stay here. If you need to open your legs more, please feel free to open your legs wider. Let's go ahead, place left hand on the hip bone and just simply open to your left, facing towards the wall, and then exhale forward, just simply moving your hip out and in few times. And on your next time, open your hip. Again, find this nice stable position. Extend your arms out parallel to the floor, keeping your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Turn your palms to the side. Fold your forefingers in, keeping your thumbs facing up. Bend your left arm and bring your left fist towards your left shoulder. On your inhale, elongate, and exhale, turn your head, bring your gaze towards your nail on your right thumb. We're going to do 3 long deep breaths and then switch to the breath of fire. If you start getting dizzy, please stay connected with your long deep breath. If it does not feel right for you to do breath of fire, change to the long deep breath at any time. Let's take long deep inhale. Exhale, release, let go everything out. Again, inhale. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Remember to pump your navel in on your exhalation. Your inhalation and your exhalation are equal. Focus on your nail, please. Breathing in and out of your nose. Keeping your facial muscles relaxed. Keep going. Long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull your rectum, your navel slightly in, your chin in. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract your rectum, your internal organs, your navel in, your chin in. Hold it. Exhale. One more time. And exhale. Release your arms. Take them down. Now turn your feet, bring your feet parallel, turning yourself to the side. Inhale, lift, and exhale, simply bow down. Drop your arms. You can place your palms on the floor or tips of your fingers on the floor, keeping them active. Long deep breath. One more breath, please. On your inhale, lift your head. Elongate through your arms, through your legs, through your torso. Bring your right and left hand on your hips. Engage your abdominal and slowly lift yourself up. Now we're going to turn to the back, yes, back of the room. Turn your left foot out, your right foot in about 45 degrees angle. Please make adjustments needed. Bending your left knee, bring your knee above your ankle. Find nice, stable lunging position. Bring your right hand on your hip and let's go ahead, open our pelvic a few times. Opening out and then exhale, engage in your buttock, turn your chest and pelvic towards the back wall. Inhale, open to the side again and exhale. Find stable position. And this time when you inhale, open your pelvic, open your chest. Make sure your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Extend your arms out. Reaching equally forward and back with your arms. Rotate your palms facing out and fold your forefingers in, bending your right elbow, bring your right fist towards your right elbow, turn your head, bring your gaze, soft gaze, towards your nail on your left thumb, looking through your nail, kind of there but through, far away, forward. Long deep inhale, please. Long deep exhale. Again, long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. And long deep inhale to begin breath of fire. Breathing in and out of your nose. You can go as fast or as slow as it feels right for you. Pumping your navel in and out. Energizing, detoxifying. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Keep going. Long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull, waking up your energy. Exhale. Again, long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale one more time. Exhale. Release your arms down. Bring your feet parallel, facing to the side again. This time, inhale, lift your arms up, palms facing forward. Just simply spread your fingers. Long, deep breath. Inhale, opening your palms out, pressing everything down. Exhale, slowly go down. Drop your head, drop your arms. Long, deep breath. Breathing, inhale, exhale. One more breath. On your next inhale, extend through your arms, through your legs, through your torso. Bring your right and left hand on your hips and slowly rise up. Very careful, walk your feet together. Shake your legs, shake your arms. And then on your inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, drop them down, in, out. Lift your shoulders high up and drop them deep down. Releasing tension, stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders, in your upper back. Releasing, dropping everything off your shoulders. Just a few more times, in, out. One more time. Shake it off. Inhale, sweep your arms, reach up. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Please lie down on your mat right now. Walk your feet towards your buttocks. Bring your chin slightly in elongating through your neck. Crown reaching up, tailbone reaching down. Place your arms beside of you. Press your triceps against the floor. Press your shoulder blades against the floor. And actively reach down with your arms. Feet parallel, hip width apart. Feel your feet connected to the floor, your knees above your ankles, your knees, your feet hip width apart. Imagine you have a string attached to your navel, one end of the string attached to your navel and the other end to the ceiling. On your inhale, expand your abdominal and imagine the string is pulling your navel up, your low back comes off the floor, making an arch. Your pelvic is grounded. Exhale, pull your navel in and press your low back against the floor. Engage your buttocks, lifting your tailbone slightly off the floor. Inhale, arch again. And exhale, pull your navel in. Keep going, follow your breath. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Keep your abdominal active, your low back pressed against the floor. On your inhale, lift your arms up and over your head. Reach with your arms over your head. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, clasp your hands together, lifting your head. Place your hands behind your head to support your head. Shoulders down, your chin slightly in. Inhale, open your elbows wide. And you exhale, pull your navel in, curl up, squeezing your low ribs towards your hip bones, gently squeezing your elbows to your head. Inhale, unroll down. Exhale, curl up. Slowly and inhale down. Through your mouth, exhale please. Shh. Curl up, pull your navel and squeezing your low ribs towards your hip bones and pulling your navel in as much as you can. Your arms only supporting your head. Your abdominal lifts your torso. 4 more to go. 4, inhale, exhale up. 3, breathing, inhale down, exhale up. Last time, exhale, curl up and stay up using your abdominal muscles to support lift of your torso. Inhale, exhale, bring your right knee up. Inhale, exhale, bring your left knee up. Connect your legs together and extend your legs up, straight up. Open your toes out, heels touching, your inner legs connected. Inhale, slightly take your legs down, keeping your low back still connected to the floor. And exhale, 90 degrees. Inhale, 60 degrees angle. Exhale, 90. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach with your legs far away. Exhale. Slightly engage your buttocks and your inhalation. Keep breathing 4 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Reach up. Bend your knees. Pull your knees in. Unroll down. Place your feet on the floor. Now open your knees. Join soles of your feet together. Allowing your knees to drop out. Allow your elbows to drop out. Close your eyes. Long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, pull your navel in. Gently squeeze your knees together, slowly separating soles of your feet. Inhale, exhale, your right knee up. Inhale, exhale, your left knee up. Inhale, exhale, curl up towards your legs. Pull your navel in, drop your shoulders down with your arms supporting your head. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg up. Inhale, exhale, extend your left. Separate your toes apart. Join your heels together with your legs reaching straight up. Inhale, exhale, take your legs down, maybe little bit more than 60 degrees. Less than 60 degrees angle. Yes, hold it 4, hold it 3, hold it 2, hold it 1. Inhale, exhale, lift your legs. Again, inhale, take your legs down. Please only go as slow as still your low back is able to connect to the floor. Shoulders down, let your abdominal shake, releasing tension from your nervous system. Inhale, exhale, lift up. One more time. Slow down. Buttocks engaged. Shoulders down. One more breath. And lift your legs up. Bend your knees. Unroll down. Release your hands. Stretching your arms forward. Reach towards your knees. Place your hands on your knees. Guide your knees in a circular motion. Breathe in, inhale. Exhale. Rolling on your low back. One more time. And then reverse direction, please. One more time. Inhale, exhale, curl up towards your knees. And now using your abdominal muscles, try to come up, roll up. Cross your ankles, please. Rock from side to side. Find middle of part of your buttocks, grounding your pelvic towards the floor. Reach towards your ankles and start spinal flex. Inhale, heart forward. And exhale, collapsing your chest. Engaging your abdominal, tuck your tailbone under. Keeping your eyes closed. Your optical focus towards your third eye center. Simply follow your breath in and out of your nose. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting. Working on your spinal column, balancing your nervous system, warming up your digestive system. One more time. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Elongate your spine, chest above your pelvic, head above your chest. Release your hold, place your hands on your knees. Rotation with your torso. Please follow your breath. Inhale, sending your heart out. And exhale, collapsing your chest, making C-shaped curve of your spine. Facial muscles relaxed. Eyes closed. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Follow your breath. One more breath, please. One more time. In the center, through your nose, long, deep, conscious inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go. Reverse direction with your torso, please. Follow your breath. One more breath, please. In the center, again, long, deep, conscious inhale through your nose. Through your mouth with H-A. Through your mouth. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go, everything out. Inhale, slowly open your eyes, release your legs out in a V shape. Inhale, lift, and exhale, slightly bending slowly. Follow your breath. Inhale up and exhale to your right. Inhale up, exhale to your left. Keep going. If you're reaching towards your foot, then on the end of your exhalation, gently squeeze your big toe, pressing with your thumb on your big toenail. Facial muscles relaxed. One more time for each side, please. Inhale, center, exhale, send your heart forward, extend your arms forward without reaching too deep. Just simply focus on sending your heart forward, opening your chest. Bring your chin slightly in, elongating through your neck, flex your feet. Eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center, long, deep, conscious breath. Inhale, expanding yourself, and exhale, releasing, letting go. Inhale, oxygenating every internal organ. And exhale, releasing tension, stiffness, maybe pain, out of your muscles, out of your joints, out of your connective tissues, out of your body, out of your mind. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly walk your hands back, slowly unroll yourself up, cross your ankles, changing cross of your legs, bring your other leg in the front, rock from side to side, find middle part of your buttocks with your heart lifted, place your hands on your shoulders, forefingers facing forward, thumbs facing back. Inhale, turn to your left, and exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Just simply follow your breath. your head, follow your twist. Close your eyes, bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Breathing in and out of your nose. Keep your chin just slightly in, providing elongation for your spine. Crown reaching up, tailbone down, heart lifted, elbows lifted in, out of your nose. Just a few more times to go. One more time. Inhale in the center, exhale, extend your arms up, spread your fingers, hold your breath, contract, lift, pull. Keep reaching, exhale. Again, long, deep inhale. Contract your rectum, internal organs, navel and chin slightly in. Exhale, one more time. Inhale. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, slowly take your arms down. Place your arms on your knees, palms facing up. Join your index and thumb together. Long, deep breath. One more breath, please. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Reach up, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Bow down. On your next inhale, slowly unroll your head. Release your arms one leg at a time. Extend both legs forward. Bounce your legs. Flex, point your feet few times. Rotate your feet. Inhale out, exhale in. Again, bounce your legs. If you have socks, sweatshirts or blankets, go ahead, get your socks, sweatshirts and or blankets. We're going to lie down for the final part of our practice, relaxation, savasana, which we combine with the guided meditation. This is a very important time of your practice, time for your body to heal itself. Please lie down on your back, extending your legs out, separating your legs slightly apart. Place your arms beside of you, moving them slightly away from the sides of your body. Turn your palms face up to receive. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders down, relax your facial muscles. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Connect with your breath and allow your body to heal itself. keeping your eyes closed. Slowly start to deepen your breath. Inhale. Exhale out of your nose. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Rotate your wrists and ankles. Reverse direction, please. On your inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up over your head, point your toes down, reaching, stretching opposite direction. Strengthening, lengthening your nervous system. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slowly take your arms down, one knee at a time. Bring both knees up towards your chest. Rock from side to side on your low back. One more time. Inhale in the center. Exhale, open your arms in a T shape. Inhale and exhale, take your knees to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Long, deep, conscious breath. One more breath. Long, deep inhale. Exhale, engage your abdominal. Lift your knees up, rolling on your low back. Take your knees to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Long, deep inhale, lifting your heart. Exhale, engage your abdominal, lift your knees and roll on your right side completely. Bring your left arm with you, placing your palm on the floor in front of your heart center. Use your right upper arm as a pillow. Close your eyes. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep breath. Allowing all that wonderful energy that you created during your practice this morning settle in your body. On your next inhale, slowly press yourself up in a cross-legged seated position. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Rest your arms on your knees, palms facing up. Join your index and thumb together. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious inhale through your nose. Long, deep, conscious exhale through your nose. Inhale silently, chanting I. Exhale M. Connecting with your true self. One more breath, please. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Soft gaze forward. Release your mudra, exhale. Inhale with your arms, reach up. Connect your palms, gaze up. Exhale, twist and open to your right side. Lift your heart up, lift your gaze up. Bow down with your head. Back in the center, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your left. Inhale, lift. And exhale, bow down. Back in the center, open. Lift, reach, connect. Inhale, reach up. Keep reaching. Exhale. Inhale, open your eyes wide. Spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze. Join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pearl light within you guide your way on. Namaste.